Hello students of class 9. Today I will continue the chapter Resources of India and I will start today coal. Coal is a black or brown rock. It consists mainly of carbon and it is known as carbonaceous rock. It is formed by the compressed vegetative remains of past ages. Most coal deposits are of Carboniferous age. Now, importance of coal. Coal is a versatile mineral. It can be used for various purposes. It is most important source of power in India. It is used to provide heat and raise steam in a wide range. It has the advantage of converting the other coal into gaseous electricity. Coal is widely used for domestic fuel. Coal provides raw materials, underlying raw materials, coal gas, coal tar, benzol. These are the raw materials for coal. Very important. The raw materials of coal are coal gas, coal tar. These are the raw materials of coal. Underline this part. Very important. Next we are going to classification of coal. Coal is classified into peat. Number 1 is peat. Number 2 is lignite. I am writing here lignite. Next one is bituminous. Anthracite. And graphite. So these are the different types of coal or the classification of coal. Coal are classified into 5 types: peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite and graphite. These are the types of coal. Now first I will discuss each one by one. First is peat. Peat is the first stage of coal formation, about 30% of carbon content. Lignite, the second stage where 30 to 40% of carbon content. Bituminous, third stage 40% to 80% of carbon content. And graphite, last stage where 99% of carbon content, and it cannot be used as fuel. So the best variety is bituminous coal. The best variety of coal is bituminous coal. Now I am going to the regional distribution. Chhattisgarh ranks first in coal production. The Korba coal mine is important. The others are Chirimiri, Jhilmili, etc. Orissa in Talcher and Rampur. Jharkhand, it is mainly practiced in Charia, Ramgarh, Bokaro, Karanpura. Madhya Pradesh, large coal reserves are found in Sohagpur, Umaria. Andhra Pradesh, Tandoor, Maharashtra, Wardha, Ballarpur, etc. And in West Bengal, coal is mined in Raniganj and Asansol. Raniganj coalfield in India is famous worldwide. In India, it is a very important coal mine. So from coal, what you will read? You will read the importance, classification and the regional distribution of coal in detail. Now underline the lignite coal field of India. The most important lignite coal field of India is Naveli coal field. The most important lignite coal field of India is Naveli coal field. Now listen, just like iron ore, coal can also come in map pointing. This part is important for map pointing, already said. From coal you can get map pointing. So when you will get map pointing, suppose one coal field of eastern India, you can mark Charia or Talcher, anyone, or lignite coal field of India, then you have to write Naveli. You have to mark Naveli. So coal part is important, that you have to read thoroughly. Next I am going to the petroleum part. Petroleum. What is petroleum? Petroleum is mineral oil. Petroleum is a mineral oil. It is also known as rock oil. Petroleum is a mineral oil. It is also known as rock oil. Is derived from the Latin word petra meaning oil and olim meaning soil and petra meaning rock. Now, importance of petroleum. Petroleum is used in transportation. Oil is used for industrial purpose. It is used for thermal electricity. Oil has many domestic uses like kerosene for cooking purpose. It is also used for lubricants and greases. The important raw material of byproducts of petroleum are paraffin, wax, rubber, fertilizers, pesticides. Petroleum is called liquid gold. Why it is called liquid gold? Because of its immense importance, petroleum is also known as liquid gold. Now, regional distribution. There are two types of oil fields in India. One is onshore oil refinery, one is offshore oil refinery. Onshore means on the shore, means Assam, Gujarat. These are all onshore oil refinery. Important oil refineries of Assam are Lakhimpura, Naharkatia, Moran, Rudrasagar, and in Gujarat it is the important oil fields are in Ankleshwar, Kalol, Kosaba, etc. The most important offshore oil field of India is Mumbai High. Mumbai High is the Arabian Sea. It is the most important offshore oil field of India. Now I am going to the oil refinery part. Oil refineries, there are many oil refineries in India. The most important are Digboi in Assam, Bongaigaon in Assam, Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Koyali in Gujarat, Jamnagar in Gujarat, and in West Bengal it is in Haldia. Okay, Jamnagar is the biggest oil refinery in our country. So this part again, the definition, uses, importance, then why it is called liquid gold, regional distribution, offshore oil field, oil refineries, along with map pointing you have to practice. Okay, so I am ending this video. In the next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you class.